Hello, my friends. Today it's 18th of May. It's I think it's Saturday. It's Saturday, so we decided to come for cleaning for environmental by this by these buses. It was organized by by not one, but by some business people to organize people of Almaty, young people or any people for cleaning. So look at it, how it's lovely. This place is called Almarasan Gorge. So we will look at this. In these bags we will collect plastics and all rubbish which is laying outside. It's good chance to be outside and have some nice talk